Hello, welcome to this video. My name is Endoria Ortiz, and the topic that I will show you is how to solve a linear programming exercise in an Excel solver. Here we have a linear programming problem, and in this box we can see what the problem is asking us to minimize. We can also see that some restrictions that the problem has, and we will see how the user them later. As you can see, we already have some bugs. I have them there already, more so as not to lengthen the video so much. Here we have a box that shows us the letters A, B, C, and D. These letters are the ones that we have as variables below. Then we will place the value of 0 and follow it by those the quantities that the objective function has. Below we can see a box. In this box we can see a restrictions separate according to the amounts of each variable. For example, restriction 1 we have 3, 1, 2 and 3. These are their values that accompany our variables in the restrictions. We can also observe that we have some empty box and others full. The empty one will we use to get the result, and the ones that have next to value that we have as a restriction that are 50, 36, 22 and 120. When the boxes are filed, the first thing we have to take into account to start solving is our objective function. To get the result, we must put an equal sign in the box and write some product. After selecting the box of variables followed by a comma, number the objective function, then we close parentheses and we will accept. Once the objective function is finished, we count down tiers where we will do something similar, and the same way the empty box we put equal the sum of the product. We will select restriction box and we put a comma and select the values of variables, and so that they are the justified we put the sign of pesos, and now we only drag down. Finally, we already have the results in the box. Now we have to solve with the solver function. We go the data part on the top and we go the solver option. In the first box, we select the objective function and the minimum option, since it is what's the problem asks us. And finally, we add the restriction. This restriction as most are the same, where we will only drag down. Only the last two are missing. There we select the box for variable a and put that it is less than or equal to 0, and in the last restriction we put a that the last restriction we put that a is the integer, and we will click on accept. And once we have finished adding the restriction, we only have to hit solve. That is it. We have finished our problem.